This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Xbox Series X or S without signing in with an email address or password or account. So you can see I'm in the troubleshoot mode right now, and it's very easy to get your Xbox into this. So let's go down to my Xbox. Here it is. Now I want to hold down the Xbox button because it's on, and just hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds and you'll see this light will turn off. Now it's probably in some sort of low power mode or sleep mode. We want to unplug this from the wall outlet so it actually turns off, otherwise it's going to be in that low power state. So once everything is completely turned off here, let's unplug it. You can see I have the power cord right here. Now what I want to do is plug it back in after about 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, so it's plugged back in. Now depending on your version of your Xbox, you're going to have to hold down the sync button down here and the eject button. Once you have these two hold down, tap the power button, and that should put it into the troubleshoot mode. Now if you don't have a disk drive, just hold down the sync button, if that makes sense, with the Xbox Digital Edition. So let's hold down these two buttons, and then I'm going to tap the power button. I'm going to hear one beep initially, and then about 10 seconds later I'm going to hear a second beep. Once I hear that second beep, I should be able to just let go, and it should be in the troubleshoot mode. Also, you're going to need to plug in your controller so you can operate this menu. So let's go back up to the top. You can see I have my controller plugged in. Now I'm in the troubleshoot mode. Then I'm going to press the Xbox button so I can actually operate this menu. So make sure everything is plugged in if it's not working. There we go. My controller is on. Let's go to reset this Xbox. And then go to where it says remove everything. So if you're going to be reselling your account, delete everything. Erase all accounts, save data, setting up settings for a home, etc. And all your games and apps. So you can go down to remove everything, and then we have keep games and apps. So this will just reset your settings. So you'll still have to log in, but you'll keep your games and apps under here. So you can decide which one you want to do. And then it should take about 10 to 15 minutes if you remove everything. And then we can also update our system software offline right here if you want to go ahead and do that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.